Apple's iPhone 17 series is expected to be unveiled in September 9th this year. Apple is expected to unveil the iPhone 17, the all-new iPhone 17 Air, the iPhone 17 Pro, and the iPhone 17 Pro Max. iPhone 17 Air dummy unit and sky blue stars in new hands-on video leaks. However, this is not the first time that the color options and design of the rumored handset have appeared online. The iPhone 17 Air appears with a single rear camera lens housed inside a pill-shaped camera island. On the right side, the handset could feature a power button. There's another button placed under it, flush on the right side, which could be the camera control button, as seen on the iPhone 16 series. The iPhone 17 Air is now rumored to come in 4 colorways: black, silver, light gold, and light blue. The iPhone 17 Air is also expected to weigh just 145 grams, which makes it one of the lightest smartphones in its class. The Air will feature a 2,800 mAh battery. It's said to measure 5.5 mm in thickness. The iPhone 17 Air will reportedly sport a 6.6-inch OLED display that will refresh at 120 Hz. The phone could be powered by Apple's A19 chip with 12 GB of RAM. Single 48-megapixel rear camera, 24-megapixel front camera. The iPhone 17 Air price is expected to be around $949. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.